Hello and welcome to another update video about Opulous. Yesterday I talked about the cryptocurrency here, and I talked about it before that. I think on the 5th of November at the time we had a price of around 360. Now we broke out of that triangle as I showed you yesterday. So we were here yesterday. I said we can now expect, I think, further price increases as we moved above the 1.272 extension level. However, we then retraced, obviously today, because of that major drop that we had. However, we've since recovered massively. I mean, we are just making a new all-time high. That is quite impressive, and it just shows how strong and interesting and really strong this project is, also from a fundamental point of view. And I talked about that with really a great team behind it and a great vision that could transform the music industry. So now here on the, first of all, what we can see here where the 20-day moving average is, it's actually not too far away. It's currently at 357. So overall, if you zoom out, it doesn't look too far away. It's still quite a bit of a drop to the 20-day moving average now. Nevertheless, I think it's not too far away from that trend line that we can draw here. To be honest, we're currently overextending away from that trend line. So at some point, I expect a retracement back to potentially that trend line again. The 50-day moving average is currently here at 212. And overall, we are clearly in a strong uptrend, and it is really going up very nicely. Quite a steep move up, not parabolic yet. That could become parabolic, but it could just be an overextension away from that trend line, and then we retrace back because we are already overbought on the daily. To be honest, we've been overbought for the last 3 weeks now, and I did say before, so the market can hold such an overbought level for a while, but not forever. And at some point you will see a retracement. I think we would have seen that probably already, and that pullback to the trend line. And to be honest, we were close there, but the market is just crazy at the moment. You know, certain projects that are really strong, I think people are focusing on these, which are a bit undervalued. One of them being Opulous. Yeah, it is one of the other, one of these sort of still newish projects that I presented to you on the channel, which is doing really well. And on the weekly, we don't even have a weekly indicator here, unfortunately. On KuCoin, can't really talk about that, but on the, we are now overbought on the daily and on the 4-hour as well. So yeah, at some point you will see a retracement. I think we could even get potentially to that 1.618 level here. I think we would struggle now if we move up from here. I think we'll struggle with that. I think Opulous will also be negatively affected if Bitcoin drops once more, but you can see actually that it's sort of moving against Bitcoin at the moment, where actually Bitcoin and most of the other top 10 cryptos really have a bad day, and most other cryptos, to be honest. It just shows that people try to look for other cryptos which have a lot of potential, like Opulous and like some of these metaverse projects. So yeah, I think, as soon as you drop below the trend line, which is currently here at 438, you can expect further drops, but I'm holding on to this. I see this one, for me personally, as a long-term one. I'm very bullish on it. And yeah, we've made not quite a 2x yet in the 2 weeks, but from 360 now to 574 is not bad in quite a short period of time. And I would expect further price increases. And I see this still, though, as a long-term one, because this is one of these projects that could really disrupt a whole market. And they are one of the first movers in that. So it could really, this could become really huge, and it still has a fairly low market cap. So just want to give you an update here on Opulous. If you liked the video, please smash the like button and also subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.